In this video, we are going to see an overview and technical details for the Siemens Climatix Project Studio automation tool. Welcome to Inside Control System YouTube channel. Overview. Climatix Project Studio Automation is the equipment automation programming tool for Climatix controllers. This is the second generation of Climatix programming tools. Siemens Climatix Project Studio is a specialized automation engineering tool designed for configuring and programming Climatix HVAC controllers. Climatix Project Studio simplifies the entire lifecycle of HVAC controller programming from design to commissioning. It's used by OEMs, system integrators, and engineers to develop custom logic and control strategies for HVAC equipment like chillers, air handling units, heat pumps, boilers, and rooftop units. Programming tool. Climatix Project Studio automation tool is used to program the control logic of the following Climatix controllers and I/O extensions, such as C600, C500, C400, S400 programmable controllers and programmable I/O extensions. Climatix Automation is a programming tool supporting standard languages, including function block diagram, structured text, sequence flowchart, and ladder diagram programming. In addition, the tool supports the integration of MATLAB and Simulink programs. System requirements. The running speed and performance of Climatix Project Studio Automation is dependent upon the size and complexity of the applications. Typically, the following system requirements must be met. Processor, 4-core i7 CPU with more than 3.4 GHz or similar. Memory, 16 GB RAM. Hard disk, solid-state drive. Operation system, Windows 7, Windows 8.1, Windows 10. The usage of 32-bit Windows is not supported. Compatibility. SAPRO and Scope are the previous engineering and commissioning tool of Climatix controllers. Climatix Automation can be installed on the same PC with SAPRO and Scope. Compatibility with SAPRO. A SAPRO project cannot be opened directly in the Climatix Automation tool. Climatix controllers that are programmed using SAPRO still need SAPRO to view and modify the program. A migration tool is provided for migrating SAPRO projects to Climatix Automation. To allow the migration of a SAPRO project, the SAPRO version needs to be VVS 11. An add-on of the SAPRO license dongle, the AXML export feature needs to be available. This add-on will be delivered to the user when an upgrade license purchased. Compatibility with Scope. After the generated code is downloaded to the Climatix controllers, the Scope tool can be used exactly as before for communication mapping, HMI engineering, commissioning, and testing. The Rainbow API to Climatix controllers remains unchanged. Service. For any purchase of a base license, Siemens offer onboarding training, technical support, and software update services. Dedicated customer support, training, and application development are not included. Training. Siemens offer each user an onboarding e-learning course and certification. The course offers essential knowledge and practical exercises of Climatix Automation and Scope. After this course, the participants are able to program Climatix controllers to realize equipment control, trending, alarming, and HMI user access. Technical support. Technical support is provided as described in the end-user license agreement. Software update. Update of the software is provided as described in the end-user license agreement. Licensing. The functions of Climatix Automation are activated by licenses. Continuous integration, test integration, and MATLAB integration require separate add-on function licenses. The add-on license functions can be purchased and added to existing license carriers at any time. Siemens provide a free 3-month test license for customers to try out Climatix Automation tool. The test license covers the base license as well as the additional functions MATLAB integration and continuous integration test. Siemens provide a free permanent university license for non-commercial use. Single-user and network license. Climatix Automation supports a single-user license as well as a network floating user license. The single-user licenses, base license and add-on features, can be bound to a PC or a license carrier USB dongle. The license carrier USB dongle needs to be purchased separately. Using a dongle provides higher exchangeability and is highly recommended. The network floating user license, base license and add-on features must be bound to a license carrier USB dongle. The dongle needs to be plugged into a server. Other engineering PCs in the same network automatically get the license during the startup of the software. When the number of simultaneous users reaches the maximum number supported by this license, no additional user is granted a license. Add-on functions. Integration of MATLAB and Simulink program. The integration of MATLAB and Simulink programs allows the user to develop the control logic in MATLAB, test it in closed loop including HVAC plant models in MATLAB, and then use the exact same code in the controller. The users can also benefit from extensive existing MATLAB Simulink HVAC modules, as well as control logic and optimization toolboxes. Continuous integration test. When multiple engineers work on the same project, often the compatibility check between different parts of the program costs a lot of time and effort. Based on the test framework and continuous integration test, continuous integration test allows for automatically running tests of the whole program whenever changes are made. Changes are integrated automatically only once the test is passed. This allows programmers to work independently in their own rhythm, and therefore speed up the development process. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our video. Have a great day.